Hi, welcome to Sevat recipe. Today I'm going to show you vegetarian mama spaghetti. Let's get started. First I'm going to show you how to do the fritters for the spaghetti. Adding here the plain flour followed by rice flour, baking soda, onions, turmeric powder, spring onions and some salt. Mix them well before you add the water. For 1 cup of flour, you have to add 1 cup of water. Now it's done. Heat the oil and start frying the batter. Do this to the remaining batter. Now I'm going to show you how to do the mama spaghetti. I'm adding here olive oil, garlic, saute them, and followed by onion, salt, tomato, now I'm cutting boiled potatoes, choy stock, chili powder followed by cinnamon and pepper. Mix them well. Now I'm going to add in black soya sauce, dark soya sauce, oyster and tomato ketchup. Now I'm cutting the fritters. I cut the spaghetti before adding into the pan. Add the choy leaf, and I'll add little water and stir them well. Spring onion is ready to serve. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe to Sevat recipes and also click the bell icon to get your notification. Thank you so much.